Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove if your Prime Video's pause and play button is stuck on a screen with the video overlay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting solution video. If you are also facing this kind of problem, it might be very hectic while watching any of the content. Now, in order to solve this issue, first of all, you have to know the reason of the problem. Most of the time, the reason for this type of problem is the cluttered cache of your Amazon application. Now, in this case, you just simply have to go into app settings of your device or tap a long time into your application, and if this I button appears, just simply tap into that I button. And after tapping into the I button, now into here, just simply first of all force stop your Amazon application and then go to the storage section. Now from here, you just simply have to clear your cache by tapping into this clear cache button and then open the Amazon application and watch your content. Most probably your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.